Hey folks, what do you say? Thursday morning, we're ready to roll. Another quiet start to the market. Same trend we've seen for the past 3 trading days. Data-wise today, very light, so we don't have a lot of catalyst events on the horizon that could shake things up. That being said, we've seen some action as of lately, particularly in bonds. We're also seeing some action in oil. We're seeing bond yields come down. We're seeing oil get crushed. Oil's at $78 a barrel. You may remember just a couple days ago, we were trading up around that 85 mark. We've seen that pressure come on the back of an uptick in COVID cases. So yes, yet again, COVID is rearing its ugly head and is putting pressure on some of these markets outside of the just everyday stock market. Stock market seems to be held up at the moment from these strong earnings reports, particularly around retail. Macy's and Kohl's reported yesterday, big earnings. Nvidia reported yesterday, big earnings, keeping the stock market propped up. So 2 trading days left, today being one of those. We're about to enter a holiday week. Let's get in there, trade some price action today, stay on the ready. Again, things are going to start to slow down next week. That's no excuse to get complacent. Make ourselves a better trader. Get in there, watch some educational videos, trade in our demo environment. Let's have a good one. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.